Today's multimedia technology requires sound systems that are powerful, compact, and versatile. And Amplivox line array speakers are just what you need. Amplivox, a manufacturer of high-quality portable PA systems, lecterns, and multimedia furniture, are experts in designing and building reliable speakers that adapt to a variety of multimedia applications. The Amplivox S1234 line array passive speaker handles up to 50 watts of power at 4 ohms with 400 to 12,000 hertz frequency response. It comes with 2 different mounting brackets, C-shape for wall or frame mounting and L-shape for rack mounting. Whatever your application, choose Amplivox line array speakers. Extend your voice with Amplivox.